In the figure shown, circle O has an area of 625 pi square centimeter, CD is 16 centimeter, and AB is 30 centimeter. What is the area of the shaded circle which intersects points A, B, and C? If we look at the circles, you can see chord AB is both chord of shaded circle and then circle O. If we say M is a midpoint of AB and S is a midpoint center of the shaded circle, we can know that SM is perpendicular AB and then OM is also perpendicular to AB, which theorizes that Q, S, and M are all collinear. If we say O is the origin of the graph grid and then OM is a x-axis, we can draw like this. So let's find the point. O is 0, 0, and then we don't know where the S is. So let's say S is x, 0. But we know M is 20, 0 because AM is 15 centimeters by AB is 30 centimeters and half of it is 15 and OA is 25 because the area of the circle O is 625 pi, which we know that OD equals OA, which is 25. So if we use Pythagorean theorem, we can know that OM is 20, which concludes M is 20, 0, and then A is 20, 15. Now let's see OC and OD. We know OC is 9 because OD is 25 and DC is 16. So OC is OD minus DC, which is 25 minus 16. That's 9. Let's see. OC's length is 9 over 25 of OA's length. So we can apply that point C points are 9 over 25 of points of point A. So we can multiply 9 over 25 to A's numbers. Now if we multiply 9 over 25 to each x and y, then we can see C equals to negative 25 over 180, comma 25, negative 25 over 135, which is negative 5 over 36, comma negative 5 over 27. And if we convert this to decimals, it is negative 7.2, comma negative 5.4. Therefore, C's point is negative 7.2, comma, negative 5.4. So now we want to know what S's point is because if we know that S's point, we know what the length of SA is, and then we can know what the length of SC is because we need those lengths to find out the area of the shaded region. So let's say if it's SA squared. SA squared equals to x minus 20's full square plus 15 squared, which is x squared minus 40x plus 400 plus 225, which also equals to x squared minus 40x plus 625. Now, if we say SC squared, it's x plus 7.2 full square plus 5.4 squared, which is equals to x squared plus 14.4x plus 81. Now, SA squared equals to SC squared because SA and SC are both radius, and then they'll have the same value if we multiply. So SC squared equals SC squared, which you can also say as x squared minus 40x plus 625 equals to x squared plus 14.4x plus 81. So 54.4x equals to 544. So we can know that x is 10, and then s's point is 10, 0. If we put x is equals 10 to SA's full square, it's 10's full square minus 40 times 10 plus 625, which is 100 minus 400 plus 625, which is 325 pi, and 225. SA squared pi is the area of the shaded region, which is 325 pi. So area of the shaded circle is 325 pi.